Kim Soo Hyun, a top-tier star with multi-billion won contracts and a spotless reputation, yet overnight, he became the center of a 2 billion won civil lawsuit. How did an actor once considered scandal-proof end up in a courtroom where every statement could change the course of his career? This isn't a typical dating rumor. Nor is it a trivial online controversy. This is a formal legal battle, where a major corporation, Cuckoo Electronics, is challenging one of the most powerful actors in South Korea. And the most striking part? Everything began with an allegation that has not been proven. A 2 billion won standoff, when a brand challenges a top star. On November 14, in Seoul Central District Court, Civil Division 25, Cuckoo Electronics opened the first hearing in its lawsuit demanding 2 billion South Korean won, approximately $1.37 million, from Kim Soo Hyun and his agency, gold medalist. The publicly stated reason: allegations that Kim Soo Hyun damaged the brand's image after rumors surfaced claiming he was involved with the late actress Kim Sae Ron when she was underage. No verified investigation. No confirmed evidence. Yet Cuckoo immediately pulled all advertisements featuring Kim Soo Hyun, then proceeded to file the lawsuit. And once they entered the courtroom, the judge voiced the question the public also wanted to ask. Did Cuckoo terminate the contract because of actual loss of trust, or simply due to public backlash? The court wants facts, not emotions fueled by social media. During the hearing, the court emphasized a key ruling principle. Right pointing finger emoji: public controversy alone is not a legally valid reason to terminate a contract. This puts Cuckoo in a difficult position. If the termination was based on public pressure rather than verified misconduct, the damages they demand may not stand. The court asked Cuckoo to clarify. What specific acts constituted a breach of trust? Which contractual obligations did Kim Soo Hyun allegedly violate? Which of his responses to the allegations were insufficient, and how? Kim Soo Hyun's side responded clearly. Specify every action you claim violated the contract. Cuckoo strikes back: it wasn't just an online rumor. Cuckoo argued that Kim Soo Hyun's declining public image was not caused solely by an unverified online claim, insisting that right pointing finger emoji, loss of trust alone was grounds for contract termination. Importantly, the company asserted. Right pointing finger emoji: a civil lawsuit does not need to wait for the results of any criminal investigations. This marks an aggressive strategy, signaling that the brand views this lawsuit not as a defensive measure but as a stance on artist reputation equaling brand value. When image becomes a million-dollar magnet, the case reveals an uncomfortable truth about the Korean advertising industry. A celebrity's public image is worth money, sometimes enormous amounts of it. Even an unverified allegation can trigger contract cancellations, brand withdrawals, frozen public appearances, and a full-blown media storm. Kim Soo Hyun, once seen as the golden shield of any product he endorsed, has now become a symbol of how fragile celebrity branding can be. A single rumor can topple an entire advertising strategy. The next hearing, where every claim must be called by its name. The court has scheduled the next hearing for January 16, 2026. That session will require both sides to present detailed, concrete evidence, not vague claims of trust issues or image damage. The public is waiting to see. Can Cuckoo prove a solid legal basis for its claims? Or was this simply an overreaction to public pressure? And how will Kim Soo Hyun, who has remained silent, move in this high-stakes legal battle? Will this 2 billion won lawsuit set a new precedent for advertising contracts in Korea, or will it become yet another case of overreacting to unverified rumors? In your opinion, is the brand or the actor at the greater disadvantage in this fight?